Dalvi, what are you doing?
Roast potato boy no look like say. Me a do it good. Bun me a bun them up look like.
Mercy.
I can't manage fire yet.
No, girl.
See two all the breeze a blow and
This is
sitting.
crazy. Woo.
I want
Dang.
PMS right here now still. Ah.
I want to go take a swim. None of them do no roast, Dalvi, not one.
This? It's not like a roast.
Where? You just burn up. You think that roast already, Dalvi? Right, really?
Well, outside roasting potatoes, you know, and change up your style that soon now go and Natasha them behind the camera. Yeah, I won't vex Martel.
Oh, Rasta and Squiggly.
Ah, boy.
Martel, are you vexed? Eh? You miss this. You miss this guy. Rasta, Squiggly and Martel.
One thing you fire to wipe on you know, I don't. That I think I don't want to make. We are doing.
And well, the one last cup.
Be so power go on.
The eat hot, bro.
Then roast it up.
For real?
Fred, you know. Then roast. But they steam, no more steam, you know. Yo! You not see me? Yeah, something to go over this. Most of the somewhere that's how it's going to cook for it.
Take a next close up on the potatoes. Yes, I go on to them guys.
Them a roast man, them a come on. Them a come on. 10 minutes. You think get something for them, man? Potato roasting, you know? Yeah, roast some potato. Yeah. And steam down to rock snapper with them.
Dalvi, I see you with a pot on the fire. What's going in this pot?
Steam some rice.
You're gonna steam some rice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Steam some rice.
Fire blazing. Oh my God. Woo! Dang.
Fire burning. Like,
Fire burning, Kemar.
Fire burning.
What time
Of
I got
course.
that?
So you know it's coconut time, right?
Right.
So what is this going to be? Pumpkin rice, Dalvi?
Yeah.
Fire hot.
How they call it? Native coconut.
Native coconut.
Native coconut.
They say coconut petite like me?
Native coconut.
Or me fatter, which one?
Native coconut.
Whoops. Oh, that's good. I read them out here. Yes, you said me I read them.
A good thing that, man.
Good thing that.
Of course. Can you imagine from morning Dalvi I do her ear and the ear can't done. What a shame.
Yo.
What a shame.
Now when I calabash them come. Big one.
You tell about them. Right, man, load it.
This guy, I want to see.
Yeah.
Right now we just hooks up some coconut. What I go on with over there. So hooks up the coconut and then you don't know. I roll out the ninja blender. Oh yeah. Do this thing quick and fast today, no?
All I know is this fire is blazing. Ooh! Dang!
Hold on, huh?
Dalby?
Yo.
What camera is it? You not ball yet?
You
Me not ball yet.
know, wallet.
Mercy!
What is that? Mercy said no!
I don't wanna let you go.
Yeah.
I don't wanna let you slip away. You don't have to be afraid. Mercy says no.
Yeah, big singer.
Where?
They sing Bankwaya church.
Nothing of that sort. Never have.
Up in our box. You know, Tasha? Tasha, that.
Let me name this.
Only I'm that. Yeah, only I'm that. Very good. Wash the coconut. Get them clean enough. You know, some of them they drop in the dirt.
That is it.
Yeah.
Clean up the thing then.
Yeah. Clean them off clean, no? Get the next wash. Two yellow jug up today. Water feel good though. So I go some boom you know, cause quick and fast thing and that so now waste no time around here. Straight in our blender. Remember say a ninja blender. Ninja blender first.
I need to get me one of those. Yes. I like to blend stuff.
Like to blend stuff?
Yes.
Yeah. They have boil up, you know man.
It needs the pumpkin, eh?
Oh yeah, where pumpkin there?
It's right there.
Yeah, man, but you know, boy, so,
Yes, Dalby. Any problem with Salvi?
yeah man, so
That is it?
cut up the
So right now you have to
pumpkin,
do a cut up pumpkin.
yeah, for going right spot. You know, see a quick thing with the point today. Pumpkin are kind of young though. Young pumpkin. But then so they don't say pumpkin. I think carry him.
What's good with them
So
say?
water come there.
Yumkin. There's a girl named Pumpkin.
Let's try water.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Rise up your pot cover, the quick off.
Hey man, you born me, huh?
See, I usually get burned up.
Yes. What else we are going with you now?
Hold on there.
How we are search for?
Straight up, you gotta put first. Alright, so put up sauce blender. For the next piece.
This don't look right. That's where you going with?
Yo, you see how me I look for plug in it.
Eh? Where you going with, Dalby?
Like he could have plug in myself.
Jaja.
Yo.
That's what you're going on with.
What do you have to?
Right through. Look for you, can't do that now.
Alright, so. Ready and one, Natasha.
No, so that one blend some more, man.
Go and blend so much more. Oh, auntie, I think I tell them me I do this. I think I tell them me I do this.
My business is what you want.
I will see how me I blend out of this.
The milk. The milk.
The milk!
The milk.
Woman say I want blend out more. What the blows and skirt this? I don't blend out more. Come in.
They say a rough edge. What's the motive now, Dalby? Talk to me.
Getting some coconut milk in here. You know why
How you do? Dish towel time. We say all about nature. Let's see in the pots.
I'm getting some coconut milk. Strain it right off. Oh, you know, we have to leave some for going away. Steam fish, you know. Just 1 pound of rice we have steam.
Nothing much, right?
Nothing much, nothing less. You want to blend out some more for two, Natasha?
You see, because you are doing your thing, I'm just letting you do your thing because I know better.
You know which better.
I knows better.
Uncle Bayo boy, you know better. You don't know if it comment.
knows better. Look at that. Put
Look
it
at
back.
that
Put
one.
it back in there and blend it
Is
out
that
back.
that me I go do?
And move yourself. Like me not tell you say thing want to up more, but no.
Stay tuned, viewers and subscribers. We out here putting in the work, so just go and stay locked in and blocked in. That is it.
So in between time, Dalby is about to go wash some rice. So
1
here,
pound of rice.
1 pound of rice. None of that is for me. Okay. I am all about the roast potatoes. So that's for her and Kemar. Not for me. I don't want none of that. So check in,
Stop,
guys.
Yeah. What time o'clock is that? I want to say use some my water and wash my face.
Right now, want too much dope you can count.
Yeah, man. Next thing you gonna jump off down the river.
I ain't coming down there for you. Let me see what dope you can count, Dalby.
God. Rice and also.
So 100 though. You look away.
It don't look so dirty still. You don't see much whiteness that come off. How much time have you wash rice?
About 3 to 4 times.
Yeah.
3 to 4 times.
Wash rice, still rice, clean.
Eh. I think every time people have so much water about wash rice, still rice clean. 3 to 4 times.
Yeah, next wash there.
So how much time this now? 3 times?
Yeah, this time.
Eh? Eh?
This is 3 times.
Yeah.
I said 3 come quick.
I mean to tell you.
3 come quick. Right, so we are going
Is
to
it
put
3 or 3?
3. Put your
Put your
tongue
teeth between your teeth and say 3.
Let's go.
What?
Mind the car, mind the girl.
Roll me a roll
Let's
to
just walk
back
back.
side. Yeah.
See that? What a bubble.
Bubble patter, bubble, bubble patter, bubble,
Bubble.
bubble patter, bubble. Line up your waist, line up your waist. Bubble
No,
patter,
nobody a
bubble.
wine back of my.
You can't tell me what to
Back
wine
of my
back.
pot, you know.
You can't tell me what to wine
Yeah, wine,
back.
yeah, wine over my pot. All the blood
No,
just get.
that's it. No, don't
I
do
wine
that.
over my pot.
Don't do that, girl.
Oh,
Don't do
God,
that.
I wine around there.
Don't do that. You hear? Don't do that.
Water look too much though. Why the rice you today, you see?
Come stir up the pot.
See me put a one hot pepper on the wall, so bring it come for me there, please.
So the smoke your outfit murder me.
I get in a one hot pepper, you know? Scotch bonnet.
One scotch in a pot.
Yeah.
Got that.
I add in some more seasoning, you know? So just stay tuned to that.
So we to big up there from behind the camera now. Sina Fan, Alicia, Roshaka, Cecile, Grandma 3, Martel, Adventure TV, Squiggly, Rasta, even Miss Cherry. You remember Cookie Dog so? Yeah. And the one snatcher him too. Fly out, gone the food. That's how it go. You can't do here on every adventure, right?
So right now we are going with time and scallion. Normally we would say scallion before time.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
But me I say time first before scallion.
Time, going up and
So I make that go and bubble up and not see it much up, you know?
Check in back when they're ready to come off. Okay, so I'm on the journey to go see Dalvey prep some stuff for her steamed fish.
Look what going.
So this is what's happening.
I did up
No,
today.
not 3 peppers. Are you
I
crazy?
don't know what tree pepper reaching at this, you know?
You must be crazy.
Alright, right now. Let's get them cut up, you know? Clean them up and then wash them off.
So that's scallion, and I'm seasoning the pot okras, onions, sweet pepper, carrots, garlic, and those 3 peppers. Hell no. It's either going to be one.
One of them, I don't know what
Okay.
3 of them reaching at.
Okay.
Alright, so right now, I'll wash them off, cook them up right in a calabash here. And this one, sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper.
So, put up some sweet pepper. You can't fasting with the panty there, no, Natasha. Think I'm joking. But say here no finish, you know.
I know that I left me for the fade and got me hard.
If you don't go yard,
You try to put me up.
me a try put you up. Me a try put you up, put
Yeah.
you up there.
Up in your yard.
Up on me head which part?
What do you mean? Then if
Who tell you say?
if it becomes too late and I can't go home, what, you're gonna put me out?
Put you out.
Jesus and peace, never again. This can't happen to me.
I cut up some carrot, you know.
You hear that, people? This girl would rather put me out than to put me up for a night. No good. No good, girl. No good.
Yeah, man, so I dice up some carrot in no specific way. Yeah, just I cut some round, some I cut in some little there. You know, say, what you think going on? Bush cooking style, you know? Yes, Natasha.
That is it.
And about 1 foot. So, get up with carrot in a thing, you know. Now we are steam some fish. thing. Mix carrot right there, so you know. Yeah, the zoom in from your style. You see, you know. Oh God. Mad thing up there, so I go and fix up before you make sure the rice cook, you know.
So a little demonstration. And now that we can. Okay.
Some of them Polish.
Okay. There you go, girl. You
But
got.
it's not different from when your dad did cut them round.
No.
Oh, God. I don't know how I go on.
No.
Because round, I normally cut them. But true, me know some people cut them different. But if I just cut out, I know if I cut.
Exactly.
I did do other things. Like
Just-
more nice up.
You just have to do what you can do, or
Yeah.
you can do it.
Right,
Everybody
so that
cook
I go on.
different. We are all Jamaican, but everybody cooks different.
Talk it truth.
Yep.
So,
So
I normally cut them still, but somewhere, somehow, me the thing say,
I don't want to
That
be
way I
cooking
go
my
set
food and somebody, oh, I know how to do. You do it how you want to do it. Let me do it how I know how to
you
do
know,
it.
have time to cut up too much.
I don't know, you know,
Much
darling.
okra.
But you know them thing that I'll be. You cook something and somebody will say, oh, no how to do. Really? I mean, there yard. Cook where you cook in your yard, man.
Oh, God.
Allow me to cook what I am cooking.
Scallion.
You see, you're not going to propaganda.
Focus. Let's take calabash can only.
To whole, man.
Take a whole, man. Man, it take a whole.
All if a money queen.
Make sure you cut the hot pepper
So,
before you
hold
cut
on,
anything else.
hold on.
Ah.
Cut everything else before you cut the hot pepper.
No, you had pepper we cut first. Before you had pepper should have cut first. So you not burn me.
How will you say?
I see your deal, you should have cut before anything else. You never know that.
This look like a hot man.
Well, it was too hot. This is some garlic.
Garlic then jump in. Are they frogs? What else can hold in that now? An onion?
The onion small.
No specific way to cut anything, eh? These are all chopped. Hey, be careful with that knife. It's very sharp. And as much as you little, see me around like you for this.
Yes. Right, so right now I get the potato them scrape. One came out here, you know. That is it. Don't go too deep with it, just scrape off it. Black. Sweet potato them well roast, me I smell them well baked.
Yes, so that'll be.
Check in for the pot, you know.
If you saw one like pot, no?
Remember my banana leaf where I used to steam it, don't you?
You say a plaster rice?
Plaster rice, yeah, man.
Plaster rices?
Right now, this soon can't take off. It smell good though. You smell it?
No, sir.
You're bad mind.
Nothing wrong with that.
You're bad mind.
You would be first. I'm not going to be last.
Come in our party.
No, I'll be first or the last, you know. Wait a going. Hot. What it is?
Yes, so it's good.
I must say, me not going to taste it, you know.
You don't have to taste it.
I don't want you ask me to taste it neither.
You don't have to taste it.
Okay, that's good.
Go and steam out the more and that is it.
You said, Alvi, I put on your coconut milk.
Yeah.
For your little steam fish. Not bad.
Set it up, level it up, you know.
Not bad at all. Level it out. Level it out there.
Look like level now, man. Alright, so now I have no cover for that pot there.
Well,
I don't have no cover, so I go use the banana leaf. Because bush you there now. Banana leaf cover.
are you one there bush? Me there no bush.
How are you there? River?
There over a cabin.
There for a cabin.
I'm going to rent it from you.
Boy!
Murder!
So this we are going to use the cover up. So I eat a little rinse off and do for it. So stay tuned.
Angry bangle. It's time for the makeshift pot cover. Yeah.
Soon
So
as
you
you
go on,
boil up
Dalvi.
little bit, you know, sir, get in it.
Dalvi and our
Pumpkin
makeshift
and
pot
the rest of
cover.
things, you know?
The pumpkin can go on in there.
Yeah.
So put it in, mama.
You want to make it go and bubble it first.
No, sir, just put in everything right now. I'm hungry. Come no, man. Put in the sitting them. See me and I rush you. See, yeah, man. Let the smoke antagonize you, man. Yeah. Let me hold them for you. Let me hold them for you, auntie.
Relax yourself. Relax, 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 relax. What go on now?
Yeah, me hungry. Hurry up. Yes.
Pumpkin,
Hungry now.
okra,
I mean, I get dark.
scallion, garlic, hot pepper, all of that.
Me I get dark in a Gideon.
Carry time come, the time up on the table in our building. Just kind of steam them a little way. And we put the fish them in, you know. Come on. What look beautiful or not?
What a guan. Right now, I'm hungry.
Yeah, you could piece of time, sir. You have more time, man. You know, some secret ingredients in there too. Secret ingredients are right side of the time, you know. I'll show them my secret ingredients. Going with the time, you know. Secret ingredients done in there already, you know. Natasha stop recording. So we know see the secret we're going.
You can't make them see the secret
Yeah,
ingredients.
make them see the secret ingredients.
No, sir.
Right. You know, see a quick time. These are already donuts.
That is what I want. I'm hungry, girl.
You hungry?
I'm
You hungry?
hungry.
You hungry? You
I'm
hungry?
hungry. I'm hungry. Hungry.
Hungry with a roll tongue.
Hambre. Mucho hambre.
And go and steam out a little bit. Put on a little seasoning on the fish them, you know.
You see them cover there? Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at what's happening. Oh my word.
Yeah, man. So we have to put in a
Oh
little seasoning
my
on them, you know.
word.
Yeah,
Where's the camera? Simmer down.
Right.
Simmer
Not
down.
far.
That is it.
Yeah, that is it. Simmer down.
Look at that.
Get coffee.
Right.
And look at this. Pot smell good, your friend. Pot smell good. So we're going in with some seasoning.
Yeah, this is
What is that? Maggi all purpose.
too much strength in broccoli
Oh
cock.
man, Dalvi, something alright, man. You put out too much strength, man. Too much oil in your back. Too much oil in your
Yo, move Brian so
Too
man.
much oil in
Move
your
Brian so, move Brian so man.
Too much oil in your back, Dalvi.
Anyway, look, we go and see the fish, you know.
Remember say you can solve anything, you know. Any problem you with, solve it.
I use my double blade for me.
Right away. You say
I fire big door.
You say angry your bangle. And I no kangle.
Angry your bungle.
One Dalvi.
It's not my regular thing. I'm not a pro, so if this don't come out good today,
Ufa Falls.
No.
Ufa Falls. That is it.
Enough fire.
Well,
One belly full.
it better come out good.
Right.
Because if it not come out good in a girl, problem. Because I might
Try.
watch it now. You're cooking my favorite food. So you better make sure it come out good. Look up at me again. Look up at me again. I'm telling
Also,
you.
me have lemon and pepper.
Lemon pepper.
Yeah, man, lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
Alright, now but I broke off that with a strong cell. Take your time. There you go.
I use too much of it, you know. Just a kind
Just a
of,
slight little drizzle.
yeah. You know what words them now?
You know, always I tell me say I be a big girl's news. But nothing like that girl.
Yeah, so them ready up right now, you know.
Yeah, look at the something ready for you.
That's it, you can go in a pot same time.
Boy,
Boy, you know, see, cover them bun up.
burn up. Burn up. But no juice not left in that.
Me just say one little water.
Mm-mm.
Don't you little water in them, man.
Man, you roll in a camera.
Take your time. Spoon one and
Take your time, take your time, take your time.
Little water. Alright, that good.
Okay.
Yes, you ready to put in a swim around them now?
Try the pumpkin, no? Because so I go after them.
Now, come out of the kitchen, man.
Eh?
Yeah, but I said, me nah come out of the kitchen. Pumpkin good, man.
Alright. Salt out there, no? So you say you're dropping a little salt already?
Salt?
Mm.
No use salt.
You know use salt.
You see?
Hey, me don't want a fresh food right now, you know. I mean, I want
Me a
salt.
cook this in
I
my-
don't want a
me
salt
a-
food
yo.
either. Me?
Come put some more water in there.
No want no fresh food nor no salt food. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Me a cook.
So what happened to that?
Me a cook.
So me not have no choice night? Is that what you're saying? Me not have no say? That not look right.
Just know say me a cook this thing.
The
Secret,
salt bar
secret
already?
ingredients never fail.
Okay, auntie. Okay.
So, rocks not pour go in, you know.
Alright, dog.
Watch how we deal with it, you know.
Remember, say I use solve everything, you know. All of the problem there. Jesus. That eat the boy. Woo!
Run out. Touch him back.
Dog in the kitchen cooking fish. Dog in the kitchen cooking fish.
Eh?
If you want to cook over.
That go there now. You should have cook them now, Kemar. A regular thing this way, not true?
Eh. Hey, the steam, the heat. Hot, you know, Dalvin?
Me know, man.
Jaja. Dalvin in the kitchen cooking fish. Who wants some? Who wants some?
Tell Natasha see me a deal with this thing, you know.
To the pot now. One belly on the ash.
Yo! It's mad!
Let me taste it.
You want to taste it?
No, sir.
Nah, taste it till you get. Nah, taste it till you get. Oh, my mind tell me to do me I do, you know.
That's the thing, man. We can't tell us if it not taste good, you get your 1 or your 0.
Natasha,
We say.
you rate me?
One belly on the
Of course we rate you. Why would we rate you?
So why you tell me about one?
No, but me I tell you, if me try that and it is not to my liking, you get what? No score. Nothing. Nada.
Another day, another dollar.
That them say?
Over there.
Over the mad thing. Are we this in Natasha?
Then I must.
What do you think of them this? Who is this?
With that man.
Ready to cause yeah this.
The gravy not left in that Dalby.
Oh?
The gravy.
Right now too much fire.
Pot ready now.
Yeah, well, I don't know if you're ready, you know, but I'm gonna take it off, so Natasha will tell you guys how it come out.
I mean, I'm gonna be biased neither.
You don't have to bias.
Oh.
That's what I think, you know. One thing, you know. One thing with me, you know. If you fail, you fail, but I don't deal with failure over here.
None at all. Be careful, girl. Cause I pot they look like bigger than you know.
Big arm, yes.
Take your time.
Right, so. I'm gonna put it right here, so now. Looks so beautiful. It is looking so beautiful. Yeah, man. Alright, so right now, I just go straight in our sharing, so stay tuned.
Alright, that will be I gonna peel off the sweet potato. The roasted sweet potatoes.
The sweet potato, you look away. Like they over roast them.
So we get done, man.
You find it?
Yeah.
Natasha, who tell you to light that fire, girl? Who tell you to light that fire?
Blaze it up, blaze it up. Rastafari.
Rastafari.
So you say, sweet potato I'm getting today with fish. Wow.
You know what go on, you know. Look for your fire over there, so go and go zoom in for your fire. Yeah, Matika love.
Look at my fire. I made that with just a piece of coal.
Yeah, so we deal with it outside, you know. Roast sweet potato.
And steamed fish.
Yeah, so.
I was waiting forever for this steamed fish, yeah.
Was waiting forever for this steam fish.
Yes.
Which one you want? You want the big one or the small
It
one?
doesn't really matter. As long as I get fish, I'm good.
Place fire over there.
Fire up.
It's a good fire.
Look at that. Look at that.
That's it. We don't take a long time to then sweet potato and roast. First, me a roast sweet potato still no. First, I'm lying.
I don't know if I ever roast sweet potato yet. But guess what? There's always a first for everything, right?
Yeah. What does I do over there now, you know?
Alright.
It's too small, plate too small.
Just put something on it, girl. Not that way. Turn it the other way. Yes, just drop it right there. Remember, I'll be the one eating it. So right after this is prayer time, that's it. Come on, go out the fire the food.
Yeah, ball.
Fire, what if
It's that ball.
oh, the fire!
It's that ball.
Oh, the fire!
I
Oh.
think you know, ball it.
Come on, the fire there, please. I can't afford.
I'm not controlling it.
Control the fire there, Kemar, please. Alright, so prayer time.
Alright, so Just want to say big up to all the viewers, all the subscribers watching from near and far. You don't know the thing. One day we have a bingo. So right now, me and Natasha there, and we chef up some steamed fish, and some roast potato. Came out there, but them are going to eat rice and some other things. So I just bless this food, so we can get back to the year coming. So most righteous and eternal Father in heaven, I thank you for this day. I thank you for life, health, and strength. I ask that you bless this food. Let this food be of nourishment to our body. In your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen. That's it. Alright, so $1 for the up. Yeah, man. So which one will you see for you again? That one? You mean not really matter?
Does it not really matter?
It matter, man.
Food or food?
Food or food? Look like I sensitize them.
It not really matter.
Alright, so we have alter ego wooden forks here. Yes, so I use them
So
up.
make a taste, and at least you cook it still, so you must know the things taste.
One take up your food there, man.
Alright.
Clip one back in my cup. Oh no, don't fire door. Well, check-in time, So
Check in, Dalby, check in.
give thanks for the food again. So that's nice. Check in for him, full of flesh though. Hmm?
Dalby, watch you now. You walk on now. You know you try your food, But I'm hungry, me hungry.
You know what, are you hungry?
Look here, man. You try hurry up.
Food active
No,
here.
make it stay, Papa. Make it stay.
Oh.
Thank you. Because I'm doing the film.
Go and stay tuned here, man. One take up your food.
Stay locked in and clocked in. Yeah, man, me hungry.
Okay.
Check in on the one chain up here, load up. You don't get no steam fish, but you get a different.
Yeah.
There's something I name again what they look about. Bumblebee. With the pumpkin rice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, because them just a pass through and thing. So, that's cool. Big up yourself still. That's
Yeah,
it.
nice menu,
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the battles won, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win or lose, no black and white, there's color too. And I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand this. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? Should I say no? Should I say no? I can't say no. I can't say no. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no, I can't say no. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I know I'm falling for the villain, and it's a really, really bad decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no.